Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா மெஷர்மெண்ட் 7th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1 மெஷர்மெண்ட்டில் நம்ம என்ன பார்த்தோம்னா ஒரு டாபிக் வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை ஏரியானா என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம். இதில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்கணும், ஏரியானா என்ன, அதுக்கு கொடுத்த ஃபார்முலாவை யூஸ் பண்ணி எப்படி ஒரு ப்ராப்ளத்தை சால்வ் பண்ணலாம் எல்லாம் பார்க்க போகிறோம். வாங்க பார்க்கலாம். வால்யூம், டென்சிட்டி அண்ட் மாஸ். வால்யூம் கீழே வால்யூம் ஈக்குவல் டு m divided by d. Density d equal to m divided by v. Mass equal to d into v. 3D solid shapes கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. sphere, cylinder, cone, cube, cuboid, hexagonal. Fundamental and derived quantities. Generally, physical quantities are classified into two types, namely fundamental quantities and derived quantities. Fundamental quantities, a set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of any other quantities are known as fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called fundamental units. There are 7 fundamental physical quantities in SI units, System of International Units. Fundamental quantity and their unit கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Length meter m, mass kilogram kg, time second s, temperature Kelvin K, electric current ampere A, amount of substance mole mol, luminous light intensity candela. Derived quantities, all other physical quantities which can be obtained by multiplying, dividing or by mathematically combining the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantities. Their corresponding units are called derived units. Derived quantity and their unit கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Area equal to length into breadth, m into m equal to square meter or meter square. Volume equal to length into breadth into height, m into m equal to cubic meter or m3. Speed into distance or by time, m by s or ms power minus 1. Electric charge equal to electric current into time, a into s equal to as or coulomb. Density equal to mass by volume, kg by m3 or kg m minus 3. மெஷர்மெண்ட் கீழே ஃபண்டமெண்டல் குவான்டிட்டிஸ், ஃபிசிக்கல் குவான்டிட்டிஸ் அண்ட் டிரைவ்டு குவான்டிட்டிஸாக பிரிச்சிருக்காங்க. இதை பற்றி நம்ம டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். ஒன்றுன்னா ஏரியா. The area is a measure of how much space there is on a flat surface. The area of the plot of land is derived by multiplying the land and breadth. Area equal to length into breadth. The unit of the area is meter into meter equal to meter square. Area is derived quantity as we obtain or by multiplying twice of the fundamental physical quantity length. Do you know 1 square meter is the area enclosed inside a square of side 1 meter? Problem for area. What is the area of a 10 squares each of side on 1 meter? Area of the square root formula equal to side into side, 1 meter into 1 meter, 1 meter square or 1 square meter. Area of 10 squares equal to 1 square meter into 10 equal to 10 square meter. Even though the area is given in squares meter, the surface need not to be square in shape. Area of regularly shaped figures. The area of regularly shaped figures can be calculated using the relevant formula. Area of some regularly shaped figures. Formula கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Square, diagram of a figure. Area, side into side, a into a equal to a square. Rectangle, length into breadth, l into b equal to lb. Circle, pi into radius square, pi into radius square, r square equal to pi r square. Triangle, half into base into height, half into b into h. Problem for area of some regularly shaped figures. Find the area of the following regularly shaped figures. Take pi equal to 22 by 7. Area rectangle whose length is 12 meter and breadth is 4 meter. A circle whose radius is 7 meter. A triangle whose base is 6 meter and height is 8 meter. Solution கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. 12 into 4 equal to 48 m square denote பண்ணும். Area of circle equal to pi into r square equal to 22 by 7 into 7 into 7 equal to 154 m square. Area of the rectangle equal to half into base into height. Half into 6 into 8 equal to 24 m square. Area of irregularly shaped figures. The graphical method explained above can be used to find the area of regularly shaped figures. Also, in the case of square and rectangle, this method gives the area accurately. Volume. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional object is known as its volume. Volume equal to surface area into height. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter or m cube. Problem என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Find the volume of take pi equal to 22/7, a cube whose side is 3 cm, a cylinder whose radius is 3 meter and height is 7 meter. Solution. Volume of a cube oda formula வந்து side into side equal to 3 cm into 3 cm into 3 cm equal to 27 cubic centimeter or 3 centimeter cube. Volume of a cylinder வந்து pi into r square into height. Pi வந்து 22/7 into 3 into 3 into 7 equal to 198 m cube. Volume of liquids na enna? Liquids also occupy some space and hence they also have volume, but liquids do not possess any definite shape. So the volume of a liquid can be determined as in the case of solids. When a liquid is poured into a container, it takes the shape and the volume of the container. The volume of any liquid is equal to the shape that it fills, and it can be measured using a measuring cylinder or measuring beaker. The maximum volume of a liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. A measuring container is graduated as shown in figure. The volume of liquid is equal to the volume of the space it fills in the container. This can be directly observed from the readings marked in the measuring container. If we notice the measuring cups gives in figure carefully, we can observe the readings are marked in the units of ml. This actually represents milliliter. To understand this unit of volume, let us first understand how much a liter means. Liter is a commonly used unit to measure the volume of liquids. We can understand that the unit of volume is cubic centimeter if the dimension of the objects are given in centimeter. This cubic centimeter is commonly known as cc. A volume of 1000 cc is termed as 1 liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 cc or centimeter cube. Do you know, to measure the volume of liquids, some other units are also used. Some of them are gallon, ounce and quart. 1 gallon equal to 3785 ml. 1 ounce equal to 30 ml. 1 quart equal to 1 liter. Volume of irregularly shaped objects. Cube oda figure கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Side into side into side. A into A into A cube. Cuboid. Length into breadth into height. L into B into H. LBH. Sphere. 4/3 into pi into radius cube. 4/3 into pi into radius cube. 4/3 pi r cube. Cylinder. Pi into radius square into height. Pi into r square into h. Pi r square h. Volume of irregularly shaped objects. And as we discussed earlier, from the case of area, there are no formula to determine the volume of irregularly shaped objects. For such cases, their volume can be determined using a measuring cylinder and water. Definition of density. What is meant by density? Density of a substance is called as the mass of the substance contained in unit volume 1 m cube. If the mass of a substance is m, whose volume is v, then the equation for density is given as density equal to mass by volume, G equal to m by v. Unit of density. The SI unit of density is kg by m3. The CGS unit of density is g by cm3. Density of different materials. Different materials have different densities. The materials with higher density are called denser, and the materials with lower density are called rarer. Density of some common substance at room temperature. Nature, materials and density. Gas, air 1.2, kerosene 800, liquor water 1000, mercury 13600, wood 770, aluminium 2700, iron 7800, solid iron varum, copper 8,900, silver 10,500, gold 19,300. Problem கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. A solid cylinder of mass 280 kg has a volume of 4m3. Find the density of cylinder. Density of cylinder formula mass of a cylinder by volume of cylinder. 280 divided by 4 equal to 70 kg per m3. A box is made up of iron and it has a volume of 125 cm3. Find its mass. Density of iron is 7.8 gram by centimeter 3. Density equal to mass divided by volume. Hence mass equal to volume into density. 125 into 7.8 equal to 975 gram. A spear is made from copper whose mass is 3000 kg. If the density of copper is 8000 kg or by m cube, find the volume of the spear. Density equal to mass divided by volume. Hence volume equal to mass divided by density. Equal to 3000 divided by 8900 equal to 30 divided by 89 equal to 0.34 m cube. The relationship between mass, density and volume are represented in the following density triangle. Starting in the triangle தான் density equal to mass divided by volume, mass equal to density into volume, volume equal to mass divided by density. Relation between density, mass and volume. Measuring distance of celestial bodies. Normally we use centimeter, meter and kilometer to express the distance that we measure in our day-to-day life, but for space researchers, astronomers need to measure very long distances such as the distance between the earth and a star or the distance between two stars. To express these distances we shall learn about such units, namely astronomical unit and light year. Do you know water has more density than oils like cooking oil and castor oil, although these oils appear to be denser than water. Density of castor oil is 961 kg divided by m cube. If we put 1 drop of water in oil, water drop sinks. But if we put 1 drop of oil in water, oil floats and forms a layer on water surface. However, some oils are denser than their water. Astronomical unit. We all know that the earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Hence the distance between the sun and the earth varies every day. When the earth is in its perihelion position. Perihelion is the position of the shortest distance between the earth and the sun. The distance between the earth and the sun is about 147.1 million km. When the earth is in its farthest position, that is when the distance between earth and sun is the largest, called aphelion position, is 152.1 million km. The average distance between the earth and the sun is about 149.6 million km. This average distance is taken as one astronomical unit. Neptune is 30 AU away from the sun. It means it is 30 times farther than the earth. One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the earth and the sun. 1 AU equal to 149.6 million km equal to 149.6 into 10 power of 6 km equal to 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year. The nearest star to our solar system is Proxima Centauri. It is at a distance of 2,68,770 AU. We can clearly see that using the AU for measuring distance of stars will be unwieldy. Therefore, astronomers use a special unit called light year for measuring the distance in depths. We have learned that the speed of a light in vacuum is 3.108 meter by second. This means the light travels a distance of 3.108 meter in 1 second. In a year, leap year, there are 365 days. Each day has 24 hours. Each hour has 60 minutes. Each minute has 60 seconds. Thus, the total number of seconds in 1 year equal to 365 into 24 into 60 into 60 equal to 3.153 into 10 power 7 second. If light travels a distance of 3 into 10 power 8 meter in 1 second, then the distance travelled by light in 1 year equal to 3 into 10 power 8 into 3.153 into 10 power 7 equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. This distance is known as the 1 light year. 1 light year is defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum during the period of 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. In terms of light year, Proxima Centauri is at 4.22 light years from Earth and the solar system. The Earth is located about 25,000 light years away from the galactic center. Perihelion, aphelion. 147.1 million kilometer கொடுத்துறாங்க apart far away from sun. இந்த பக்கம் aphelion வந்து 152.1 million kilometer. Perihelion and aphelion position of Earth. Some points to remember கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. A set of physical quantities which cannot be expressed in terms of inner quantities is known as fundamental quantities. Their corresponding units are called as fundamental units. The physical quantities which can be obtained by mathematically combining, multiplying and dividing the fundamental quantities are known as derived quantity. Their corresponding units are called as derived units. The area of a figure is the region covered by the boundary of the figure. Its SI unit is square meter or m square. The area of irregularly shaped figures can be calculated with the help of a graph sheet. The amount of space occupied by a three-dimensional subject is known as its volume. The SI unit of volume is cubic meter or meter cube. The volume of liquids are expressed in terms of liter. 1 liter equal to 1000 cc. The maximum volume of a liquid that a container can hold is known as the capacity of the container. Density of a substance is defined as the mass of a substance contained in unit volume, 1 meter cube. SI unit of density is kg divided by m cube. The CGS unit of density is g by centimeter cube. 1 g divided by centimeter cube equal to 10 cube kg divided by meter cube. The materials with higher density are called denser and the materials with lower density are called rarer. If the density of a solid is higher than that of a liquid, it sinks in that liquid. If the density of a solid is lower than that of a liquid, it floats in the liquid. Density equal to mass divided by volume. Mass equal to density into volume. Volume equal to mass divided by density. One astronomical unit is defined as the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. 1 A equal to 149.6 into 10 power of 6 kilometer equal to 1.496 equal to 10 power of 11 meter. 1 light year is defined as the distance traveled by light in vacuum during a period of 1 year. 1 light year equal to 9.46 into 10 power of 15 meter. இந்த வீடியோ கீழே வந்து 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் டேர்ம் 1ஓட மெஷர்மெண்ட்டோட லிங்க் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் கொடுக்குறேன், அதையும் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அதில் வால்யூம் கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருக்குது, பட் அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலுக்கு சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள் அண்ட் கமெண்ட் செக்ஷனில் கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.